My name is Deltoria Gallant, and this is my presentation for the IT Project Management midterm for iTech 640. In this presentation, I will be covering several topics, which include an overview of IT project management skills and leadership, integration management, project selection, initiation and requirements, and project scheduling. So the purpose of this presentation is uh, done from the standpoint of a grant that is available through the state of Maryland called the Maryland 4.0 Grant Initiative. And this program is giving Maryland manufacturers the opportunity to invest in Industry 4.0 related technologies. And these technologies include advanced sensor integration, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, cloud computing and cybersecurity solutions, embedded software systems and applications, enterprise resource planning, robots and autonomous systems, and other system integration projects. So, in order for an organization to be able to partake in this grant initiative, they must be able to clearly demonstrate that they are able to successfully implement their proposed project. So, in order to do so, an organization must understand that this project will go through four stages of the project lifecycle, which would be initiation or understanding their project goals, planning, which will outline the tasks and the timeline required for the projects, execution, which will turn their plan into action while monitoring their progress, and then closure, where they'll analyze their results and summarize their key learnings from the project itself. So to begin, IT project management um, is something that's very important in today's digital age. Organizations rely heavily on technology to achieve their goals, which is a big reason why Maryland is making this investment in our manufacturing businesses. IT project management involves planning, organizing, and managing various IT projects to achieve specific goals and deliverables. And this includes defining the project scope, managing resources, budgets, risks, and ensuring a timely completion. And in this, IT project managers have to have a strong understanding of both technology and project management principles to be successful in leading projects in an evolving IT landscape. Poor leadership is detrimental to the success of IT projects. Over 30% of new software projects are canceled before completion, and more than 50% of new software projects are 180% over budget. This is often caused by poor project management, and there is actually a shortage of qualified large scale project managers. Effective project IT management requires a combination of technical skills and leadership abilities. Project managers need to communicate effectively, delegate tasks, motivate team members, and resolve conflicts. Leadership skills also encompass setting a clear vision, inspiring the team, and making decisions and adapting to changes. Successful IT project managers need to strike a balance between being technically competent and a strong leader. Project integration management is another critical part of IT project management. Project integration management involves coordinating and aligning all the various project components to ensure smooth execution. This includes defining project objectives, developing a project charter, creating a project management plan, and monitoring project progress. Integration management ensures that all project elements work together seamlessly to achieve the project's overall objectives. Successful project integration management is essential to ensuring that all project components work together cohesively. Ambiguity in objectives and scope can lead to misalignment and confusion. Effective project integration requires strong leadership to guide the team, make decisions, and resolve conflicts. Also, to establish a governance structure to define roles, responsibilities, and decision making authority. Now, project selection, initiation, and requirements are three vast aspects of IT project management. And in this short presentation, um, we are only going to touch a little bit on what that means. But for the most part, selecting the right project to pursue is critical for organizations. And it involves evaluating the potential project based on factors like strategic alignment, the return on investment, the feasibility of a company being able to do the project, and the resources that they have available. Once they have selected a project, then the initiation involves defining the project scope, objectives, and who the stakeholders are. Once they do that, then requirements gathering is where they're going to analyze and ensure that there's a clear understanding of what the project needs to deliver to meet the stakeholders' expectations. Project scheduling involves creating a timeline and sequencing tasks to ensure that the project is completed on time. This includes identifying dependencies between tasks and estimating task durations, allocating resources, and techniques like using Gantt charts, critical path method, and agile methodologies help in order to be effective in scheduling. Regular monitoring and uploading of the schedule are essential to manage any deviations and to make sure that the project's completed on time. Now, the project duration is going to depend on many, many factors, but some of those factors include the project manager's ability, their experience with the type of technology that they're implementing, the experience with programming environment, the type of programming language that's being used, the availability of equipment, how complete the project team is, and if they have any turnover or the size of the project team all play a role in how long the project is going to take to complete. And this is a reason why it's really important to pick the right project manager for the job. So with a complex IT project like Industry 4.0, you want to pick somebody who is experienced. And that concludes my presentation. Again, these topics are very important for Maryland manufacturers who want to take part in the Maryland Manufacturing 4.0 grant program. In order to demonstrate an ability to successfully implement a complex IT project, it's very important for an organization to understand the project lifecycle as it relates to an IT project. It's very important for them to understand the need for a project manager and a management team that understands the type of technology that they will be implementing. It's very important to understand and to represent an understanding of project integration management so that the project will integrate seamlessly with the business that they already have. It's important to be able to demonstrate that there is a method to how they are selecting and initiating their project and deciding on the project requirements, and then subsequently selecting and creating a schedule for completing the project on time. So thank you very much for your time and attention.